students, today's lesson about is Harry Potter. The story is a collection of fantastic works by the British writer John Rowling. The book tells the story of Harry Potter, a student at the Hogwarts School of Magic, and his friends. Here is an excerpt from the Harry Potter movie. Let's all together watch the video.
Now, when I call your name, we will come forward. I shall place a sorting hat in your head, and we will be started into your houses. Hermione Granger?
Oh, no. Okay, relax. Mental is that one. I'm telling you.
Oh, right then. Right. Okay. Gryffindor.
Draco Malfoy.
Slytherin!
That's not a wish about this school where that wasn't in Slytherin.
Susan Bones.
I know. Hufflepuff!
Ronald Weasley.
Ha! Another Weasley. I know what to do with you. Gryffindor!
Harry Potter.
Difficult. Very difficult. Plenty of courage, I see. Not bad mind either. There is talent, oh yes, and the thirst to prove yourself. But where to put you? Not Slytherin? Nay, are you sure? You could be great, you know. It's all here in your head. And Slytherin will help you on the way to greatness. There's no doubt about that. No? Well, if you're sure, be Gryffindor!
There is everything: friendship, love, hate, choice, anger and resentment. But in every answer there is one but. This story tells us not about a bright friendship that is able to overcome everything. This doesn't happen in life. This story tells us about the world as it is. Not only highlights all the good, but also explains why people become the very villains who want only the bad.
But no one in an ordinary fairy tale will explain why the villains became the villains. But here the opposite is true. In addition, we are always on the verge of a choice, and this is often encountered in the book, on the basis of which we formulate the concept. We ourselves decide our fate. Even a prophecy doesn't always come true, and even a bad one may not be as we saw it.
Don't think I in a way overestimate the importance of this book, but it should be read by all the children of the world, because it shows not just a fairy tale, not just a story, it shows life as it is.
But while the world of Hogwarts and Diagon Alley allows us to escape the Muggle excitants, it is clothed by inequality, oppression and danger. Thus, the Harry Potter books give us food for those, encouraging both children and adults to seek answers to pressing questions of morality, responsibility, conflict, time.
Okay, to be honest, I don't believe in the magic of waving a magic hand, but I believe in the magic of imagination and the magic of love. Let's add to this magic that we believe all in, and it's gonna be part of magic for about 20 years, and it's gonna be Harry Potter's universe.
Despite the magical basis, the novels are about simple human values. They teach us to be merciful, friendly, lovely, forgiveful, and value loved ones and remain human in all situations.
The study was conducted among school children between the age of 10 and 15 and led to encouraging conclusions. Contrary to Anthony Dzerzhinsky's expectations, it turned out that J.K. Rowling's book can well replace educator and the teacher, since perfectly develop in children such qualities as tolerance, responsibility, loyalty, friendship, and a dislike of violence and discrimination.
From the point of view of the professor, the children who read books about the wizard boy grew up with him and learned many things necessary for personal and civic development. According to this, plunging into an interesting story, a person tends to identify with its heroes and tries to be the most attractive of them. Thanks to the action of this mechanism, we have received an entire generation with features of Harry and his friends.
I want to be bold like Neville. I want to be kind like Dobby.
I want to be loving like Mr. Weasley.
I want to be determined like Hermione.
I want to be a lawyer like Ron.
I want to be resourceful like Fred and George.
I want to be selfless like Harry.
I want to be fearless like Ginny.
Рахат бір орта мектебінің кітапханасын әдеби кітаптармен толықтыру мақсатында ұйымдастырылған эстафетаны Ағылшын тілі пәні бірлестігі, эстетикалық пәні бірлестігінің жетекшісі Ләйла Жұмабай қызына табыстайды.
Ағылшын пән бірлестігінен эстетикалық пән бірлестігі эстафетаны ары қарай жалғастырады.
Ағылшын пән мұғалімдеріне рахмет.